Good morning to everyone. Now we can move to the thread cutting methods. Method of thread cutting. Thread of any pitch, shape and size can be cut on a lathe using a single pine cutting tool. The job is held in between centers or in a jug and the cutting tool is held on tool post. The cutting tool must travel a distance equal to the pitch as working piece. Complete a revolution. The definite relative rotary and linear motion between job and cutting tool is achieved by locking or engaging a carriage motion with the lead screw and nut mechanism and fixing a gear ratio between headstock, spindle and lead screw. Thread cutting methods. Thread cutting methods on a lathe. This is called a gearbox. The head spindle to connect the workpiece and end the tail stroke. Thread cutting tools and the fixed on the carriage, the compound slide, crash slide in the top of the thread cutting tools. Okay. The special attachments in a central lathe. Special attachment. Each general purpose conventional machine tool is designed and used for a set of specific machining work on jobs of limited range of shape and size. But often some unusual work also need to be done in a specific machine tool, milling in a lathe, taping in a drilling machine, gear tooth cutting in a shaping machine and so on. Under such condition, some special devices or systems are additionally used being mounted in the ordinary machine tools. Special attachment. Some attachments being used in the general purpose conventional machine tools in central lathe. Taper turning attachment, copy turning attachment, milling and cylindrical grinding attachments, spherical turning attachment, relieving attachment. Okay. Taper turning attachment. Guide bar, guide block, bracket, copy turning attachment. For complex contour, the tool should be fed into two axes simultaneously. This is called copy turning attachment. Next, another one, milling and cylindrical grinding attachment. This work process on milling and cylindrical grinding attachment. This is the lathe bed, the top of the saddle, and the milling attachment. Milling cutter with the workpiece. Okay. Milling attachment. This are the pictures. This is the milling attachment. The workpiece is fixed at the clamp to tight the lead screw, and the cutting tool rotate in the to move towards the drilling operation or milling operation. Milling operation. Grinding attachment. This is the workpiece move on the grinding attachment, and the spherical turning attachment. Another one, the relieving attachment. Relieving attachment means this is the gear type of wheel. This is the blade using the relieving attachment. This is the lathe involved in relieving attachment. Thread pitch correcting attachment. This it's involved in the screw threads, saddle, lathe butt attachment. Next one of the gear arrangement. Next we have discussed about the gear arrangement. There are mainly two type of gear arrangements used in headstock of lathe machine. All geared headstock, back geared headstock. All geared headstock gear arrangement. In this type of constant motor speed is provided to gear arrangement, but depending upon the requirement of speed, it changes using gear arrangement, which is controlled by levers. These levers change their position to generate the different combination of to acquire different speeds. All geared headstock gear arrangement. Fast pulley, splined pulley, loose pulley, intermediate. Headstock, live splined headstock. Back geared headstock gear arrangement. In this type, power is transmitted to the spindle via two-step cone pulleys and require the use of belt drive to connect them. A pinion gear is mounted with a small end of cone pulley. In this type, a ball gear is also used, which can be locked or unlocked position through the lock pin is keyed to spindle. Back geared headstock gear arrangement. Back gears are mounted eccentric shaft and used to reduce speed. There are further two type of obtained variation in speed: direct speed, indirect speed. This is a back geared headstock.